What's that noise? What is that?
I don't know. Somebody left this on the cart.
What the heck? Why are you playing that in the store?
Somebody left it on the cart.
You can't play that in the store. What's going on? That's inappropriate, sir.
Like I said, it's not mine.
Get my manager right now because this is unacceptable. Weren't the dumbass I was sniffing pain and stuff?
I just got here.
You said it was the jerk off with the fake Jordans and shit?
Look at this guy. He's in a Walmart fucking shirt with no shirt.
Sorry,
You're being
obviously.
very unprofessional, actually.
He's coming up to me, my husband, asking him if he's sniffing
Where's your
vape.
shirt, dumbass?
Where's
Sit
his
here.
microphone? Get that fucking camera out of here, dude.
Come back here right now! Come back here right now!